Wait, look at this. You know this legendary album cover, right? The red brick wall, the vibe, and the whole aura. So I told an AI to do something completely impossible. I said, show me what this exact wall would look like if the Google Maps had actually captured it. Bro, no AI today can do this. Not even Midjourney, not Gemini, not even DALI. And what? It literally built a whole street around that wall. Same texture, same grime, and the same cracked concrete. It feels like the real spot where the album was shot. But wait, I got disrespectful. I told the AI, alright then, add a granny walking across the street. And it was something crazy, but it did it with shadows, with lighting, and perfect street view energy. This AI isn't generating the images anymore, it's literally thinking. And welcome to Nano Banana Pro, the image engine that literally shouldn't exist and it literally thinks before generating. Let's test its capabilities today. So as you all know, just click on the image option and then click on this AI feature, Nano Banana Pro, and you're all done. Now let's start with this image first. Now what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, this is the actual image and we are gonna test its exact capability. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just insert this image easily from here and we are gonna zoom it 100x. Now let's see how much detail version it can give us. So basically it had started generating and it just take 2 credits. Okay, just 2 credits to generate the image, and let's check if it's absolutely worth it or not. Just trust me, it handles each and everything so seamlessly and so perfectly, and I'm damn sure that you will be just surprised with the output which we are gonna get. And now just look at this is absolutely amazing, I'll say. Look at the detailing, man, like each and every stuff. Look at those minute details, how much accurately he had designed it. Even the shell of the bubble, you can say, the cover of the bubble, each and everything, the small graphics, you can say, it's crazy. And the second test is of translation. Now you all know Nano Banana and other tools lags with the text translation, right? And now I am just adding this unknown language here, and just look at this. This is surprisingly the best option I ever got, and I am also surprised, to be honest. And as you can see, I have uploaded the image and just I am clicking on generate, and now let's see what text will it convert. This is something literally surprising, I am saying. Like, an AI generator is literally converting your image text into the readable format of the language which you know, that too from image. This is the first AI tool which it's doing, right? And you can see, damn, this was absolutely impressive, I can say. Look at it, how much accurately he has just translated the language into the English one, and the details, the sharpness, it's awesome. Now let's try something crazy. Basically this is the pick, and what if I instruct this AI to convert this car and dismantle it? Now let's go with dismantling this car. Okay, so basically I am just writing the random prompt here, and trust me, what do you think the image, how the image will be? Well, let's see. So I am just giving a easiest prompt possible. Okay, you can see I haven't took this prompt from ChatGPT and stuff. No, it's just a random humanistic prompt which I am just writing casually, right? And now let's wait for the absolute image which we are gonna get. And trust me, like, we are legit dismantling a car, and that too with just image. Sounds crazy, right? So let's see how it goes. And the best thing of it is, like, it generates even 4K plus images, and also you can upscale it. And this is something crazy. Now look at this, guys. What is this? Literally, this AI legit thinks before generating, and it's absolutely aware of each and everything, I can say. This is legit proof in front of you. And now this is the image. Okay, just look at this. What if I say you, we are gonna just remove his hand and we are gonna replace his face with the Brad Pitt's face? Sounds something different, but let's try it out. Okay, see, testing the capabilities of this tool is somewhat trying the craziest things possible. Okay, and you also know, This is something awesome, and let's see what will we get. Till that time, if you are loving this video, make sure that you are hitting the like button, because I am there to bring a lots of AI tools and crazy AI stuff just like this on my channel, and I'm damn sure that you will be helpful a lot. So as you can see, the generation has been started, and finally look at the light, look at the exposure, each and everything, stronger faces, and look at the identity control, like the angle across the outfit, which also natural light, right? This is absolutely impressive for real, I'm saying. You shall really give it a try. You shall really give it a try. And our last image is this one. So you can even generate plenty of images with this, but in this today's video I'm going to show you how you can generate it easily. Okay, I know you can generate any kind of image, but how you can modify, or you can create crazy stuff out of those image. Now just look at this. Okay, this is gonna be awesome, and let's try what output we'll get. So basically we are just changing the faces of the image with these three names, and let's see what will it create. So basically they have created, and let's wait for the main outcome. And this tool is perfect for the professional digital artist, we can say, who need production ready assets for the client work, or also for the brand and packaging designers mocking up boxes, bottles, right? So as you can see, just look at this, it's looking absolutely real, right? And well, now let's try for some animated images. So basically this was the image, and the prompt was simple, and after clicking on just animate button, it gave me this. So look at this, with just an image we converted this. And also this is kind of awesome stuff. Just look, damn, each and everything is realistic, right? This is the reason I love this tool a lot. And now just look at this camera angle, this is also perfect. So each and everything is perfect in this. Even though your prompt is weak, this AI tool has capability, has awareness about each and every stuff, so he will improve your prompt accordingly. And then all done for this video. So I'm damn sure that this tool was helpful for you, and trust me, use this tool, and we'll meet in the next video.